How to cancel Amazon Prime subscription. Want to cancel a membership? This guide shows you how you can cancel your Amazon Prime subscription so you can end the membership. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on your account to go to your account settings. In your account menu, look for Prime membership section and tap on it. On the Prime membership page, you'll see all the details of your membership. Tap on End Membership button. You'll be asked if you want to end your membership or change the plan. Tap on End Membership again to continue. You'll get a refund for the unused portion of your membership. The refund will be credited back to your original payment method. You can also get a reminder to cancel a few days before the renewal date. Once you've confirmed, your Prime membership will be cancelled. You now know how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. Get ready to end your membership. Like and subscribe for more app tips.